heck of a stretch, is it?
Yep.
So I want you to push your leg against my legs and push down. And relax. Again. And relax.
Yeah, I can definitely feel that one.
Yeah. Leg up now. Before it was a 5, what does it feel like now?
Oh, it's probably at probably around 2.
Good. Here we go. Lock that foot on that ankle. Or ankle on that knee, excuse me.
I heard that one.
Face that for me. You got good knees, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna let that knee just kind of fall to the side. Just like that. Just let it drop.
Ooh. That's my shoe.
Relax that leg. Relax it. There you go. Now come up, see what that feels like. Oh, you're moving a lot smoother.
Much better, for real. Couldn't raise up earlier.
Now,
Yeah, no,
you can keep the shoe.
that's